And next you can use this filter.
Sand
Okay.
filter.
No, this is screen filter.
Screen filter.
Okay.
Ah.
If your water source is a farm pond,
Ah.
then your water will come this one. You can skip this one, and directly it will enter into the inlet.
Okay.
You have to
not
connect it.
required.
Not required.
Ah.
For farm pond, it won't work
Ah.
because floating particle directly will pass through this one. So no use of that.
Ah.
So you can directly connect these to this inlet.
Means if you lift the water from the pond, then there is no use for hydrocyclone.
Hydrocyclone filter you
no need to
use.
Whereas if I lift the water from the
farm pond,
this bore, there is no much usage of this
one.
the sand filter. Sand filter.
Either you can use one. If it is
but most of the farmers they mix both the hydro.
Both they will use.
Considering there are two sources. Sometimes they may take pond, sometimes they may take bore.
Then you can use that one.
Okay.
Then you can use that one. So see.
This is outlet, na? This is in.
This is in.
Filter.
And this is outlet.
From here.
So what happens, sir? So water will come here, and it will start rotate. This one, vortex movement will be there, so that heavier particle will go down and collect this chamber.
How frequent you can clean this tank?
So you can frequent means daily you can clean. Clean means nothing to do. Just you have to open this one, and your all particles will go out.
Okay.
Flushed out.
There is no much this thing. No.
Yeah.
Okay.
If you miss it 1 or 2 days, nothing will happen. Only that particle will increase in that chamber.
Okay. This is in.
Yeah.
Then go to sand filter.
Then outlet of this one. This is inlet. This is outlet of outlet. Yes. And this is the inlet of sand filter. Okay.
Then going this screen filter.
No.
From screen filter, then direct.
You go to your field.
Yes. Please explain about the pressure gauge.
Yeah.
Pressure gauge.
See,
this one.
it is directly connected.
Outlet wall. Outlet.
You
before this.
You can see the pressure. 2 bar pressure is there.
2 bar.
2 bar. 2 kg. 2 kg per centimeter square pressure is there.
2 kg.
2 kg per centimeter per centimeter square. Per square centimeter.
Okay.
Yes. Or 2 bar you can say. Okay.
What is the ideal this?
This is ideal one. 2 bar is the ideal for drip irrigation system.
Okay.
So if it is a 2 bar, then it will while going in the pipeline, it will reduce some because of that friction loss and fittings, everything. It will lose, and at the end of that lateral point, inlet point, it will be attained around 1.5 bar pressure.
Okay.
So it is ideal pressure.
This is a ring. This valve.
This is ball valve.
Ball valve.
Yeah, double union ball valve.
Double union ball valve. Okay.
You can remove this one if you want. Then you can remove this one.
Okay. But how to calculate this water, this calculations and all? Actually, for I need for say for example tomato.
Yeah.
We need to cover. We need to give around 15,000 liters of water in a day.
Okay. So normally, basically, how it will calculate it, sir? Either one per plant liters of water. So this much of if your coffee, then coffee needs around 10 liters of water per day. So then you can give
that much I will use that one. So for say for example, for tomato, 7,000 plants are there.
Yeah.
Means average.
It may be calculated in mm per day. Mm per day. That much of precipitation you require.
So this. Food development stage around 2 liters are required. Example, I'm saying. 2 liters means 7,000 plants into 2 liters, around 15,000 liters. Okay. How to calculate through this system?
See, you got the calculation of 15,000 liters you need. You have to calculate your pump capacity, pump output. So if your pump is giving around 5,000 liters per hour, that you can calculate very easily. Your pump, you put on drum and you put it in. Calculate how much minutes it will fill. If it is a 200 liters, then you can calculate. If it is fill in 1 minute, then you can say around 6,000.
Based on the water availability and the capacity of the motor, na?
Capacity of water. So see, if your pump is giving around 5,000 liters of water, and you need 15,000 liters of water requirements, then you have to operate for 3 hours.
3 hours. Okay. Based on the pump capacity.
Yes. Based on the pump, that is the main base, core base for that.
That
to
another thing is
select-
availability of water also.
Yes, yes.
That is
yes,
a
yes.
2 inch, 1.5,
Yeah,
2.
if your tank is, if you're using the tank, it means farm pond, then capacity, you know that capacity you will be know, and what is the capacity of pump you have to calculate, and based on that you have to distribute that much of water equally through drippers.
The further will maintain now. If you
Yes,
have and even unrelated land also.
Undulated land, we have another dripper called pressure compensated dripper. So it will attain the same discharge with the different pressure rating.
Okay, that is different one.
If it, so if it is
Further attain
pressure compensated dripper, PC dripper, we call as a PC lateral and PC dripper.
Here it is regular one or pressure compensated?
Normally we use pressure compensated for this coffee land because it is very undulated. So if it is in
Plain land?
flat plain land, then you can use non-pressure compensated.
Okay, what is suppose say for example for Karnataka, what is the cost for per acre?
See, sir, it is purely dependent on the crop spacing. Crop spacing. If it is a crop spacing is very dense crop spacing, then lateral
So, example I'm
usage
giving,
is very
for
high.
mango.
For mango, plant to plant spacing will be around assume
50,
that
50.
15 or 20.
50 plants per acre.
50
roughly.
plants acre.
Example.
Then cost will be around 25,000 rupees per acre.
For citrus, 100 plants per acre.
Yeah.
What is the cost? 100 plants.
100 plants means citrus at what spacing? 15 feet or 20 feet.
100 plants means
If it is around 15 to 18 feet, then cost will be around 32,000 rupees. Without these filters, these two filters, I'm considering only these filters. Clean filter only. If it is additional your farm fund, then around 20,000 cost will be added.
Plants are more, the number of lines are more, then cost will increase.
Because lateral will be increased.
Sir, is there any subsidy government of Karnataka is giving?
Karnataka government is offering around 90% of subsidy.
Without subsidy, what is the cost? With subsidy, what is the cost?
Same.
Government is giving subsidy amount.
Sir, see, when it rate will be different. So our government RC rate is same as our dealer rate. So there will be no cost difference.
How this will be
almost
cleaned?
same.
How frequent this is?
So you have to clean this filter every day. Recommend every day. So you have to backwash through this wall. You just open that one, and if that element is clogged, some particle will stick on that particle. So you have to remove this clamp and you have to remove that element, and you can clean it.
Okay. How many how many days you are giving this what you call
Fertigation,
after for installation of 1 acre, example, how much time it will take? Does it take to install all these?
Okay. Normally, for a installation, you need at least 1 to 2 days to hold. If 1 or 2 filters are
Guarantee?
Guarantee company will offer 1 year of standard manufacturing warranty.
Okay.
So manufacturing the same, it is not against physical damage.
Okay.
Only manufacturing damage.
Manufacturing defect is
Then
there, then
company
they
will
will
give a
compensate.
replacement. They will evaluate and give a replacement.
Boomers and
Goomer. This is called Goomer.
what is that one?
That is sand filter.
This one. Blue.
Clean mask. This one, See, this is again one screen filter. This is only for backwash purpose. It will be used only at the time of backwash. Backwash means what happens? This is the backwash valve. So your particles stick on that sand particles, no? So while backwashing, you will do reverse operation. Means it is the inlet, no? So you will block this inlet here. So then what happens? Water will come here and it will enter from the back outlet. So what happens? It will come from bottom to
up.
up, and it will fill, and that sticked particles will float up,
Yes, yes.
and it will be
Reverse
removed
cleaning.
through this
Reverse cleaning.
reverse. So that we have to need for
So for
cleaning.
inlet, the sand
Yeah.
filter is there.
Yeah.
For outlet, this
Yeah.
skin filter is there.
Yes.
For cleaning, backwash
Backwash
purpose,
cleaning,
another-
again you have to reverse that one. So that purpose only we have given one more filter there. That will be used in that time of backwash.
Fertigation unit, sir. Where is
Huh?
fertigation unit?
Fertigation unit here. Here it is, we have installed. You can, if it is not there, then you can
tank, fertigation tank, huh?
not. This is a Venturi.
Venturi,
This is Venturi.
direct absorption.
Yes, direct absorption. You have to put this one at a certain level. It will start sucking. Initially, the water will come out in that tube, and at one certain point, what happens? It will that water coming out now that will be stopped, and it will start to reverse sucking.
Tell me again.
See, this is the Venturi. This is designed like that. There will be some vacuum space happens. Okay, while moving the water. So you have to close this wall. So what happens? Water will start to come this wall and going through this tube. Okay. So at a certain point,
Whenever we are giving fertigation, means fertilizer through drip, we need to close that wall.
no, completely not, don't close. So only at a 20-25%. It is depending on the pressure of this inside this one. It is different for different pumps. Okay. So what happens? If you start closing at a certain this one point, the water will come out through this tube. Okay. It is natural tendency. So water will come and it will come out. At one point, you just close this one. Again 5%, again 5%. At one point, that coming out the water, no, it will stop automatically. And again, it will start to re-suck that, sucking the water, the air. So at that time, you have to put that in the fertilizer tank. So it will suck.
First process is some water will come through.
Yes.
Venturi,
You have to identify that point. At what point it will
suck.
suck. Yeah. That till that point you have to close.
We are giving